Hello guys, welcome to SRM Sutta. Let me introduce myself. I am Siddharth and I am currently BTech first year student at SRM KTR campus. My branch is Electronics and Communication branch, and let me give you a small introduction to SRM Sutta is what all about. As the name suggests, SRM Sutta. So here we will be portraying you or giving you the basic details from application to the commencement of class, and further we will be giving you the knowledge regarding the basic labs and further many more to come regarding SRM. So yeah, when I was thinking of joining SRM, so I tried to find many videos on SRM so that I can get grab a knowledge. But to be honest, I didn't get anything related to SRM. So I thought the problems which I faced should not be faced by you guys. So yeah, here we are with our first video that is related to the application form. So let's get started. See, first of all, let's log in into the SRM main website. Here is the interface. See, as we can simply see here, we are given with SRM JEE 2021. So the basic step you have to start with by filling up this, your name and your other basic details. When you're done with it, you're good to go for the further processes. But before that, let me highlight you some of the points which are important. You can read it out, but I would like to highlight some of the main points like this one. The application form fee is 1100, but that doesn't matter. The main thing matter is it's not refundable. So kindly be sure before giving or paymenting the fees. Now second point which I want to highlight is this one. See, the email address and the mobile number which you're uploading there in the registration part. These email address and mobile number will be used as a communication process between you and SRM until you don't get a personal SRM ID. Yes, I will talk about that also in the further videos. So yeah, be thorough with it. The email address and the mobile number which you are giving. As you can see here also it is mentioned, except email address and mobile number, you can edit all the other things. Now, as I have seen that they are planning to conduct SRM JEE exam, but if uh, because of this pandemic they are not able to take, so according to what they will take, they will simply take on the basis of these three things, that is your plus 2 marks, JEE marks and your SAT score. But let me make you clear guys, the main weightage among these three which carries the most is our plus 2 marks. So be sure that you score a good marks in your plus 2. Now see, it has some important dates also. So it has some important dates also which you can look out. But I want to make you clear about this tentative word. What does it mean? Simply see this. You can't see a tentative word in this OMR application and your online application. See, tentative means that they have simply decided to take the exam, but it's not sure. Like if the situations are favorable, they will take, or if it is not, they will not take it. It simply means that only. So now the main part of this video, that is steps to follow. So yeah, you have done with your registration process, but before it, let me give you some tricks not tips, sorry, it's tips which I haven't gone through or nobody has given me, or simply I haven't read these things. We simply skip all these stuffs. But see, when you will be filling up your application form, they will ask you hell lot of photos. And what does the main thing to know or to remember about these photos are the size. The size should be below or less than 1 MB. See why I'm telling you this thing now? Because when I was filling up the form, I didn't look to these points and I simply clicked the photos from my mobile phone and tried to upload it. The basic size or the average size of a mobile phone clicked picture is nearly 2 MB to 3.5 MB. So when I was uploading now, they were simply rejecting it again and again, and at after a certain point of time now, it becomes irritating stuff. So yeah, kindly look into it also, and before submitting it, kindly compress all the photos below 1 MB, so it will be helpful for you. Now let's move to the steps. When you have registered the email address and all the stuffs, mobile number, you will get a confirmation email to verify it. Let me show you how it will be. See, you will simply get an email from SRM group of institution in which it will be clearly mentioned to verify it. So how to verify? There will be a click button through which when you will click it, you will be simply redirected to the SRM portal. And don't get panic if it doesn't work. You will simply get a link below it through which you can copy it and you can use your browser to go to the further processes. See, when you're done with it, now they will be asking you about to fill the application form. This application form basically comprises of your name, your date of birth, your basic details regarding your parents' name, other stuff, your residential address, your mobile number, and other things. When you filled it, they will simply ask your academic details. Now what they will ask? See, if you are from Tamil Nadu board, so they will ask your 11th and 12th grade marks. But if you are from CBSE board, they will simply ask your 12th grade marks and your 10th grade marks. But the main weightage carrying standard is your 12th standard. So kindly focus on it and try to get a score good marks in it. When you're done with it, till now you have only filled up the things. You have not submitted the form. This submission process will be opened after when you pay the application fee. So yes, see, after all this stuff, you will be redirected to a portal or a gateway, payment gateway, in which you can use your credit card, debit card, or simply net banking to pay your fees. When you're done with it, so yeah, guys, as we have completed our payment part, now it's time to upload the documents. Simply, when you will do your payment, they will redirect you to the upload document portal. So in this portal, basically they will ask you to upload your basic class 10th mark sheets, passing certificates. Same goes for class 12th also. And they can, in addition, they can ask you to upload your birth certificate and other basic uh, documents, I guess. So yes, guys, with this we come to an end of the video. This is the complete application process for SRM. Hope you all liked it. Hope you all find it informative. Uh, Guys, if you have any queries related to SRM, you can directly DM us at our Instagram handle, that is SRM Sutta only, and you can also comment us in the comment section for in whichever topic you want us to make the video. Guys, hope you all enjoyed it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.